This learning is Le'ili Nishmas Broya Bas Chananya, Maseches Sheviis, Perek Beis, Mishna Tes. This Mishnah continues teaching about which year a produce is from. Now, in general, grain goes by the year that it grew, and vegetables go by the year that they were picked. Now, the reason for this difference is because grain is not watered all the way until the time of picking. Rather, grain grows from rainfall, and so it goes by the growth, not by the year that it's picked. However, vegetables, even if they grow from rainwater, a person also has to water them, and they're watered all the way until the time of picking, and therefore they go by the year that they were picked. And as a result, our Mishnah teaches about vegetables that grow from rainwater and from a person watering them, that habetzalim hasarisim, onions that do not have seeds, upayla mitzri, and Egyptian beans, shemana mehem mayim shleishim yom lefnei Rosh Hashanah, that the person did not water them for 30 days before Rosh Hashanah. So now they're like a field of grains that's not watered all the way till the time of picking. And therefore, when it comes to meiser, misasrim l'sha'avar, they go by the previous year when they were growing and not by the following year when they were picked. Umutarim b'shvius, and if the next year is Sheviis, they're not considered produce of Sheviis, but rather produce of the previous year when they grew. The Mishnah continues, V'im lav, and if the person did not withhold water for them for 30 days before Rosh Hashanah, and the person watered them all the way until the time of picking, so then they follow the year when they were picked, and if that year is Sheviis, so asurim b'shvius, they are forbidden because they're produce of Sheviis. Umis asrim l'shana haba, and the meiser goes by the year that they were picked. The Mishnah continues, Vishel Baal, if these vegetables were growing in a moist field that doesn't have to be watered as much. So here there's an argument. Shemana mehem mayim shtei oines divrei Rabbi Meir. Rabbi Meir says if a person withheld water from them for 2 watering periods, then they're considered produce of the previous year. And a watering period is the amount of time between when a person waters the field. So let's say the person waters the field every 20 days. So Rabbi Meir says if a person didn't water the field for 40 days before Rosh Hashanah, then they're considered produce of the previous year. And the Chachamim say shalosh, it's only considered produce of the previous year if a person withheld water from them for 3 watering periods.